So we're going to do two quick problems on long division, and what I did off here to the right is I put that long division problem that we did in class just to remind you of how you learn to do long division, probably in late elementary school, early middle school, and that's the exact process that we're going to be applying here. So I have the quantity x squared minus 2x minus 15 divided by the quantity x minus 5. So we're going to put x minus 5 on the outside of our vinculum, and we're going to put x squared minus 2x minus 15 on the inside. So we're looking at our first term on the outside and our first term on the inside. So how many times will x go into x squared? Or in other words, x times what would give us x squared? And that would be x. So once we put x up top, we need to multiply that by both of these terms. So we're going to take x times x is x squared, and x times negative 5 is negative 5x. Now what people forget here, if you look over here, you're always subtracting that number. So you need to put a subtraction sign in front of that. So we have x squared minus x squared is 0, and that first term always should cancel out. Now up here we have negative 2x minus negative 5x. Well, that becomes negative 2x plus 5x, which gives us 3x, and now you bring down your minus 15. So we're going back to look at the first term. We have x. X times what is going to give us 3x? We're going to have plus 3 up here. So now we need to multiply this 3 by everything, by x minus 5. So we get 3x minus 15. And remember, we're subtracting that. So we get 3x minus 3x is 0, and negative 15 minus negative 15 is 0. So we have a remainder of 0. So we would say that x squared minus 2x minus 15 divided by the quantity x minus 5 is equal to x plus 3. So our second example, we're going to set up the same way. So we have x plus 3. How many times will it go into x squared plus 5x plus 6? First term into first term. X will go into x squared x times. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. And we're subtracting that. First term cancels out. We have 5x minus 3x is 2x, and then bring down your 6. X times what gives us 2x? That's going to be plus 2. Multiply that times x and times 3, so we get 2x plus 6. We want to make sure we subtract that, and we get a remainder of 0. So in this case, x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by the quantity x plus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So for your homework, go ahead and do those first 4 problems on that worksheet, and we'll continue on this lesson on Monday.